Quinoa can be used as a whole grain and can be consumed and cooked very similar to how you would cook rice, and it would be a good replacement for rice, but also can be used as an ingredient, or you can use it as an inclusion in order to increase the nutritional profile of something that you're already eating. It's a gluten-free option that's high in protein. It's a good source of omega-3, 9, and 6, riboflavin, niacin, and potassium magnesium as well. Adding the flour in a 10 to 15% ratio can increase your shelf life by 3 to 5 days without having to use preservatives. Quinoa originated in the Andean regions, so it wasn't specifically adapted to be growing here in Canada. So we've been developing new varieties that are going to be high yielding, which gives better farm gate value for farmers, but then also with higher yields causes decreased costs, which is better for the economy. It has the same input cost that you would see with the wheat or with the canola, same seeding equipment that you would use with all those crops. The settings are very similar and just offers an alternative to different pathologies that would be affecting other crops. Does not affect quinoa. There's been some very interesting findings that have come out so far. We thought originally it was going to be a 120+ day crop. We've been able to pull it down to a 90 to 100 day. We've completed the initial crossing work. We've done the first yield nurseries, and now we're going to be going into the replicated yield trials. We're expecting some very exciting results at the end of this year. There's some benefits to being as part of a bigger group. We have a larger voice. It's not just one small crop being by themselves. So there is some synergies that we've already seen. We have the rotational trials that we've done together already with mustard and hemp and flax. There's also the ability to get dialogue with each other and kind of bounce some ideas off each other as well. In the next 5 years, we would think that the quinoa would be on at least 250,000 acres, especially as the ingredients market, which is going to be one of the larger consumers of the grain, starts to expand in the next 10 years, probably anywhere from 500,000 to 1 million acres.